They're all banging.
Yes, lads. Come on. Come on. Oh, woo!
Rampage, man!
Come on! Rampage!
Yeah, man!
There's a driver over there as well.
Is that just come from court?
Yeah, it's just come from court, I think. So this is the Glasgow Sheriff's Court. I think we can walk down this way. Big up, lads.
Big up.
Actually, I think we can go this way to the courts. Go on, boys. Big up. So yeah, we're coming round to the Glasgow Sheriff's Court now. So in case this is a different video, what is going on, everybody? This is TGA. We're coming to, oh, it's going to the court, Ken. It's going to the court, I believe. Oh no, it's going towards Glasgow. So this is the Glasgow Sheriff's Court. I think we can walk through. Yeah, we can walk this way. So there is no law in Scotland against filming a court. I think conditions can be set in a courtroom, which you could be held in contempt of court. But actually in the public areas, there are no laws to prohibit it. But yeah, look at this building. The Glasgow Sheriff's Court. Look at the size of this. But it's good though to be able to film a court without any legal action, which is what we've got. People have got that freedom in Scotland, which you haven't got in England and Wales. And even pretty much every court case is televised, as far as I'm aware. Such a massive building though, it's right on the Clyde. Glasgow Sheriff's Court. So I thought we had to come to this place. Sheriff's Courts don't exist. The judicial system in Scotland is worlds different to how it works in England and Wales and Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland's got Crown Courts. Northern Ireland's got like the Royal Courts of Justice. Scotland, Sheriffdom of Glasgow and Strathkelvin. Sheriff Court and Justice of the Peace Court, which is what we've got in Scotland. Yeah. You're not going to film this one?
I'm going to go in first.
Yeah?
I'm going to go in first and see what crack is. You wait outside because I don't want you getting nicked. I ain't going to get nicked because I'm not filming. I'm going to go in and just...
As I say, there's no law against it in Scotland.
Yeah, well, I'm just going to I'm just going to double verify.
There might be police in there anyway.
Yeah, but can't do all about me, you see.
So yeah, this is the Glasgow Sheriff and Justice of the Peace Court.
Kev's on the rampage.
Yeah.
Kev will go in.
There he goes. Look at this. You don't get these. You don't get these in England and Wales or Northern Ireland. Look at this place. Wow. Look at that. Ah, that's an awesome building. So we can't see any signs on the outside. Say no filming or anything. Hello, mate.
Hey there, can I help you?
No, I'm just doing some video in such a beautiful building.
You can video outside of the court, you can't video inside.
Yeah, you can. There's no law against it.
There it is.
Which law then?
Things are up in here. You get a police officer out to explain it to you, right?
Right, but as far as I'm aware, there's no law in Scotland to prohibit it.
You can do outside the building, you can't film inside the building.
Yeah, you can from outside, of course you can. That's fine. That's fine.
Alan, how you doing?
So I'm not filming any individuals, just you.
Stand at the door, film it, pointing your camera inside the court.
Yeah, which law is that then? As far as I'm aware, there's no law in Scotland to prohibit it.
Yeah, it is.
I've done my research. I'm pretty certain there's not. The only law that prohibits it is in Northern Ireland, England, and Wales. And the police could tell you that.
That's fine.
Good to see you've got your SIA badge on display.
Yes.
Very professional.
That's
Well, yeah. You know your policies, don't you? So.
right.
Are they coming out?
Aye, slowly but surely.
No problem. Ah. Such a stunning building, though. Sheriff's Court.
Great space. Been a long time now.
When was it built?
It's completed 86.
Oh, it's quite fairly new then. I mean, it's nice design.
A lot of money. Look at that.
Hmm.
Same inside as well. Marble everywhere.
Hmm?
Same inside as well. Marble everywhere.
Yeah, I would like to have a look. I think under policy you are meant to get approval and things, but
Yeah. You get approval from
I know that's policy, but I know there's no law against it. So
there's posters that are there. No, there's no photography or anything like that allowed in the building.
hello, how are you doing?
Yeah, I just thought I'd double check because obviously I don't want any of us getting lifted and I'm not
Oh, they
recording.
don't matter that.
But yeah, if you go in there with your camera, you're getting locked up.
Yeah.
What law is it then?
It's
In Scotland?
It's illegal. That's come from Police Scotland.
Right. Well, if they could come over and speak to me, I'd like.
So,
They don't. They were already. They won't. There are signs. I'll show you.
yeah.
Right. Where's the
Put
signs?
the camera down. I'll show you.
You
Right, I'll
Fine,
point it
I'll-
away then. I'll point it away.
No, there is. There are signs.
Right. Where's the signs?
Yeah.
They're prohibiting videoing in the building.
Right. Where's the signs?
So you can video outside, just not inside the building.
Oh, I can't see any signs. Where is it?
Yeah, it's on the
Oh,
wall.
there. Yeah.
Just there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Did you read that sign by there on the wall?
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
What's it say?
Because you don't want that on a Friday because you're here all weekend to come back up in the Monday morning.
You don't
Is
get
that
bail
law
in
or
Scotland.
policy though?
You don't
That's the
get bail
point.
in Scotland.
You don't get bail in Scotland. It's only a sheriff that can bail you in Scotland.
Wow.
So I know in England and Wales there's Section 41 of the Criminal Justice
about
Act,
if
which
you-
is
what about
filming
if
within
you
the
get
precincts
locked
of a court
That's
and filming in a court.
Different law up here.
Scotland, there's no law against it. I've done extensive research to look up on.
Unfortunately, sir, you've already been told.
Have you got cells
We've got.
in here, then?
Yeah, but until I know which specific law it is, then I won't believe it.
Well,
200 cells?
let's put it this way: if you go in there with the video camera on, you will get arrested.
I can point it through like that.
Yeah, but you cannot take the camera in the building.
So,
All right?
say
So
if he walked in there,
Oh no, it's what, like a prohibited article or something like that.
it's prohibited.
Technically.
just stick him straight
It's
in cells,
contempt of court if you do.
Contempt of court. That's what I was asking. Yeah.
Contempt of court.
Right, that's what I was wondering. So I could. That's what I was trying to explain. That I could stand out here all day and I could point my camera in.
Get what is you have to get it in writing for
It's not good
a
that I've
legitimate
been in
reason,
cells for a
and it has to be made to the sheriff.
That's what I was speaking to him about. I was saying it's contempt of court, but we can stand out here all day and point it in and film Yeah.
Well,
if we wanted to.
listen,
That's what I mean. As long as I don't go past them doors,
perfect.
I could point my camera in there. That's what I mean. Look, this is what I mean. As long as I don't, I'm not entering the building. But if I point my camera in, oh, I'm not blocking the door. No. I'm just saying, I'm outside, so I can film in there. I can't be held in contempt of court when I'm not in the court. So there we go. You can put your camera in from outside, as long as you're not. I'm not entering the building, so I'm not entering. I'm not coming in. Right, can you tell me which law that is? Can you tell me which law that is?
I'm just telling you. Film it away from the building, no, I need the building, okay?
Right, can you tell me which law that is, please? Can you tell me which law that is, please? Oh, you're not even going to tell me which law it is. Right, they're not even going to tell me which law it is. Very rude, honestly.
He was nice.
The police weren't.
No, the security guard.
Yeah, he was alright.
Cheers.
So there we go. So we're going to have a look at this other building next to the court. I think we can walk this way, Kev. Kev, I think we can walk this way. There's the Criminal Justice Services Centre. So we're going to go have a look at that. We found out that you're held in contempt of court, but how can you be held in contempt of court if you're not in the court? That's my question. So,
all I know, mate, is if you get nicked here, we've got. Is your camera still on?
yeah.
Right, because I can tell video. We just finger,
Go
sorry,
on.
because I'm not filming, so I'll tell your viewers.
Go on.
So basically, in this place here, there's over 200 cells.
Oh,
Seriously, downstairs. And what the
Jeez.
security guard was saying to me is if you get busted in here, so like if them police have come out and arrested you now, you're getting put in there, you're getting took downstairs here, you're getting charged or whatever, you're getting thrown in one of their cells over the weekend, and then you're in a prison van Monday morning going to court. So it's a very, very serious thing, which is why I went in, not filming, to ask for questions, to get the correct details, because I don't want myself and I certainly don't want you getting nicked.
but how can you be held in contempt of court if you're not inside the court?
Well, I mean, even Police Scotland themselves and security said you're absolutely fine filming outside.
Well, but they said you can't point your camera in. If you're outside, you're outside.
Maybe it's like
There's no. How can you be held in contempt of court when you're not in the court?
outside but filming into a prison. Maybe it's got that.
Yeah, but I've checked out Scottish law. There's no. How can you be held in? The only law against it is contempt of court. So how can they hold you in contempt of court for something you're doing outside?
Yeah.
That's the question.
Is it a risk worth taking, though?
And if they lock me up, that'd be a civil claim against them. If they lock me up for it, because they can't do you for contempt of court for filming outside of a court.
Yeah. You've just got to be careful with these things, haven't you? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Police helicopter.
Watching us. Well, I'll pick it back up in a bit, everyone.